welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about the all-new 2026 Hero Passion Pro, a motorcycle that continues to be one of the most trusted names in the commuter segment. Hero has updated the Passion Pro to make it more stylish, more comfortable, and more practical for everyday riders who depend on their bike for daily travel. If you are looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and affordable motorcycle, this one definitely deserves your attention. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Hero Passion Pro is its clean and refreshed design. The bike keeps its simple commuter identity but now looks more modern and premium. The updated LED headlamp gives the front a sharper appearance while also improving visibility at night. The fuel tank has been redesigned with smoother lines and bold Passion Pro branding, which adds character without making the bike look too flashy. The side panels are neat and well finished, giving the motorcycle a balanced and mature look that appeals to students, office workers, and family riders alike. Comfort has always been a strong point of the Passion Pro, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. The seat is long, wide, and well-cushioned, making it comfortable for both rider and pillion. The riding posture is upright and relaxed, which is perfect for daily commuting in city traffic. The suspension is tuned to handle rough roads, speed breakers, and potholes more smoothly, so even longer rides feel less tiring. This makes the bike especially suitable for people who travel daily for work, college, or business. When it comes to performance, the engine is designed for smooth and efficient riding rather than high speed. The 110cc engine offers refined power delivery, easy acceleration, and predictable handling. It feels light and easy to control, which makes it a great choice for beginners as well as experienced riders. The throttle response is smooth, the gear shifts feel comfortable, and the overall riding experience is calm and stress-free. It's the kind of bike that you can ride every day without worrying about complexity or heavy maintenance. Fuel efficiency is one of the biggest reasons why the Passion Pro remains so popular. The 2026 model is expected to deliver excellent mileage, which helps riders save money on fuel in the long run. With rising petrol prices, a bike that offers strong mileage becomes extremely valuable. Hero's reputation for affordable maintenance and a wide service network also makes ownership easy and convenient across many cities and towns. The bike also includes practical modern features that improve everyday usability. A digital instrument cluster provides useful riding information. LED lighting improves safety, and features like side stand, engine cutoff, and combined braking system add extra peace of mind. These features make the bike feel updated while still keeping things simple and user-friendly.